So today I'm going to show you how to install drywall on your ceiling all by yourself. And trust me, it's as easy as Russian interference in an election. I'm just kidding. I totally trust Facebook. So this is a pretty simple device, and I just bought this for a couple $100. Now I could have rented it for about $25 a day, but I'm going to be using it over and over again for the next few months, so it makes sense that I buy one, and then when I'm done, I can just sell it online and get a portion of my money back, and that'll be way cheaper in the long run than if I had rented it. All right, so the way this works is we're going to undo this little clip right here, and the whole unit tilts, okay? Now we got a bracket, and this is where the drywall is going to sit. So let's put it on and see how we do. We want to line it up, make sure it's centered, because we want it to be balanced when we lift this up. Now, I actually have to cheat a little because I have a hole right here that's going to go where my light fixture is. I got another hole where I have a fire sprinkler, but that should be good. At this point, we're just going to tilt it gently. And once we have this line flat, now we fold back our brackets and we're going to spin this and get it lined up as best we can. All right, now we get to play sailor, and we're going to turn our wheel slowly. These wheels are pretty flimsy, so you don't want to put a lot of pressure on it. They will bend out of shape. So we're just going to nice and easy. It comes with a handle. I don't even bother using this little handle here. Just turn the whole thing little by little. Make sure it's not too lopsided one way or the other. Okay, now we're going to make some adjustments here. We can slide this a little until we're lined up where we need to be. There we go, we're lined up our spots. And as you can see in my ceiling here, I'm just going over another layer of drywall. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna go around the edges and I'm gonna put in enough screws so that I can hold up this piece of drywall and remove the lift. I'm just using a regular drill right now. When it comes time to run all the rows, I'll pull out my drywall gun and bang them off. All right, once you have half a dozen screws in, you can loosen this up and get it out of the way. And there you go. So now I can grab my drywall gun, finish off those rows, and move on to my next piece. But first, I'm just going to show you guys how this wheel works. Bring this over here. We got the cable, it's going to wrap around the wheel as you turn here. And as I mentioned, avoid using this handle. This whole thing can bend quite easily if you put too much tension on the handle when you have a lot of weight on the lift. So just crank it like a steering wheel, nice and easy. And if you happen to slip, it does self-lock. That's what this lever's for. Now, to release the lever to get everything back down, you put some tension as if you want to go up higher. The lever will release, and now you can use the handle and just gently let it unwind as you come back down. Again, if you happen to let go, it will self-lock again. Pretty simple device, but it's effective, especially when you're working alone.
This is so easy, even I can do it. But child labor laws, what are you gonna do? If you like this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up and maybe consider subscribing. Hit the little bell to get notified when we put out a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!